Assalamu alaikum, 7th class students, mathematics. Exercise number 2E, question number 1. Yes, students, as you know that we have done few parts of this question number 1, by using elimination method, and a few more parts I'll solve for you so that your the remaining concepts should also be clear. So now move towards part E. Yes, students, this is E part. Two equations are given. Its first equation and its second equation. Already I informed you that two equations will be given and you have to eliminate any one variable. It's like if you will eliminate x variable, you can get the value of y, and you can put the value of y in any equation, and then we have to find the x value, means which is missed value. Fine. Now for elimination method, what to do, first of all, two equations, should we add them or subtract them? We will check that by their signs. They both are positive, so they can't be added, because if you will add them, their signs will not be changed and they can't be cancelled to each other. So in this way we can't eliminate x or y एन एनी वन. हम दोनों में से कोई भी एलिमिनेट नहीं कर सकते अगर हम ऐड करते हैं इन्हें, तो बिकॉज ऐड करने से साइन चेंज नहीं होता. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट equation 2 from equation 1 because there its constant is 3 and its constant is 5. That's why we will subtract 2 from 1. But in A, B, C, D till D part we were basically just adding because their signs were opposite. Variable signs were opposite, that's why we were adding them, and those questions we can just cancel easily by adding. But now these two equations will be subtracted. We will subtract equation 2 from equation 1. For subtraction their signs will be changed. Here is positive, it's mean positive will be changed in negative. It's negative, it will be changed in positive, it will be changed in negative. Here it's positive, it will be changed in negative. It's mean these there is positive, and I'll tell you firstly the relation between the signs: positive, 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 negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, 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 positive. So you have to learn these relations: plus plus plus, plus minus minus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. Means the result of same signs is positive and the result of opposite signs is negative. You have to learn it to solve these questions. Plus plus plus, plus minus, minus plus minus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. You have to learn it. Now by using this relation, we can solve these. Here is plus plus. We will consider now negative sign. Students, जो हम साइन चेंज कर चुके हैं बिकॉज हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. सब्ट्रैक्शन में क्या होता है कि जो नीचे वाला साइन होता है ना, उसको चेंज कर दिया जाता है, और जो चेंज करके न्यू लिखा जाता है उसको फॉलो किया जाता है, प्रीवियस वन को फॉलो नहीं किया जाता. इट्स मीन यहाँ पॉजिटिव था और यहाँ भी पॉजिटिव है. अब हमने चेंज किया, चेंज करने से ये नेगेटिव हो गया. और ये प्रोसेस जिस एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में होता है, एडिशन में नहीं होता. जब सब्ट्रैक्शन में नीचे वाली जो वैल्यूज़ होती हैं ना, उनके साइंस चेंज होते हैं, एडिशन में नहीं होता ऐसा. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल फॉलो दिस साइन. माइनस प्लस माइनस, इट्स मीन हम इसको माइनस करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये 3x माइनस एक्स. 3x में से एक x निकाल दो, then it will be 2x, remaining will be 2x. Here it is positive, now we have changed negative. Here it is positive and now changed negative. It means positive negative cancel to each other because both are same and with opposite signs, so that's why it's cancelled. Equal to positive negative plus minus minus, 5 minus 3, that will be 2. We need basically the value of x, so 2 is extra here. We will divide by 2 on both sides. Okay, so we can find the value of x is equal to 1. We found x is equal to 1, means y is eliminated from here and x value we have found. Now we can place value of x in any equation and we can find the value of y. Yes, we will place the value of x in equation 2. Equation 2 is x plus y is equal to 3. What is the value of x? X value is 1 plus y is equal to 3. Basically we want to find the value of y, so y will be equal to 3, and constant we have taken on the other side of equality, so y is equal to 3 minus 1, y is equal to 2. So what is our solution set? Solution set is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. This is our solution set. Okay students, this is E part. It's very easy question. You will practice it frequently and solve on your register as well. Now move towards the next part. Yes, question number 1L part. E part I have solved for you. E part you will practice, and the next parts you will try to solve by yourself. Just like F part, G part, those are also with same method. Each part as E part. E part की तरह ही है बिल्कुल, F, G एंड H पार्ट. उसके बाद जो J पार्ट है उसमें आपने क्या करना है, उसमें आपने ऐड कर लेना, बिकॉज बोथ वेरिएबल्स आर सेम and with opposite signs, that's why if you will add the both can be cancelled to each other. J पार्ट में आपने ऐड कर लेना है, K पार्ट में भी आपने ऐड कर लेना है, because both have same variables and opposite signs. L part is a bit different. It's not tough, just a bit different you can say, otherwise it's also with the same method. So I'll solve for you L part. The all parts you will try by yourself. In L part, the difference is 6j minus k is equal to 23. It is the first equation. And second equation, 3k plus 6j. So j will be with j, 6j and plus 3k means we have to combine j and k is equal to 11. Other there is no any difference. So what to do? These both are of same, but they are not equal. Okay, their coefficients are not equal. Variables are same, coefficients are equal. It's mean we can cut them. So how to cut them? First of all we have to subtract, because they are of same sign and same coefficients, so we have to subtract them. Okay students, now we are going to subtract these equation. Equation 2 is subtracted from equation 1. They have same sign and same coefficients, so we want to cancel them basically by subtracting. If we will subtract, their signs will be changed, means it's positive, now it will be negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay, we will follow this one. Positive, negative means plus, minus, minus it means both are cancelled, minus minus plus. So what will be? It will be 4k equal to plus minus minus, it will be 12, because we want to find the value of k. Minus 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 4k, it will be minus 4k. Yes. Now what to do? Now we have to just find the value of k by dividing. Now we have to divide, that is minus 4k by 4 equal to 12 by 4, or minus 4 on minus 4 also you can divide. If on minus 4 you will divide, it will be cancelled. 4 3 times, which means k is equal to minus 3. K is equal to minus 3. We have found what is the other variable, it is j. Now k is eliminated, j is eliminated here, k value found. Now we want to find the value of j. How? Now 6j plus 3, k value is minus 3, is equal to 11. 6j plus minus minus 9 is equal to 11, and basically we want to find the value of j, that's why it will be equal 11, and constant is on the other side, it will be 9. 6j is equal to 20. Now we want to find the value of j, that's why we will divide by j or by 6 on both sides. 2 3 times into 10 times, and it will be 10 by 3. We will divide because numerator is greater than denominator, that's why we will divide 3 times 9 and 1. It means j is equal to 3 whole 1 by 3. Now we have found k and j, both values, means both variables found. Our solution set will be j is equal to minus 3 whole 1 by 3, and k is equal to minus 3. Fine, this is our solution set. So students, this is part L of exercise number 2E. Question number 1, I have solved few parts for you. You will practice them and you will get the idea of all questions. First question, all next remaining parts you will solve by yourself. Inshallah, in next lesson we will start the second question. Till then, Allah Hafiz.